today. About to slap on some new headlights. Offers. Look at that, bro. Faded. Alright, got the headlights right here. Fog lights. LEDs, HIDs. About to be cleaned by. Okay, first things first. Gotta remove the bumper. There's gonna be a screw right here, two right here, one right here, one right here, and same thing for the other side. Alright. So I already popped this off and these two tabs and that two bolts over there, so it should just slide right on out. Then you'd unbolt this. Now so I already took that side off. On this one now, pull this. This is two tabs. This side always gets stuck, that's kind of weird. Let me pull these out. I already pulled these out. So I'm gonna start with the headlights. There's gonna be 3 bolts. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Alright, got them all out. Just pull them out. Plug the wires. Dang, there's hella freaking plugs, bro. Damn, freaking hella, bro. Okay. I gotta unscrew this one. Alright, to take this little plug out, you gotta take this screw. Unscrew that, and this thing should come off. I already took out all the bulbs, undid everything else. Got the new bulbs in, LEDs and HIDs, so I'll put it back in. Now you just literally just throw it back in place. Before you bolt it back up, check the bulbs, make sure they're working. Already see the difference, bro. Why? Yes, sir. Now time for the fogs. The fogs are hella easy. All you gotta do is get these screws out. Straight dog. I got the screws out. Now literally all you have to do is push out at an angle and pull. It's out of there, boy. Alright. So same thing, putting it back in. But at an angle. There's a little tab in there. There you go. You push down, and it goes right in place. Smooth, bro. Alright, so here it is. Got the new fogs in. Now just right back, you gotta put these back into those holes. Line up the screws. Same thing. Just revert it back. That's that, yo. Way